Good morning. Welcome to the Grand Hotel.
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation for tomorrow.
That's quite last minute. Let me check for availability. You're lucky. There's a room available.
That's great.
How long will you be staying?
We missed our flight, so we need a room for 2 nights.
How many people is the reservation for?
Just the 2 of us.
And would you like a room with twin beds or a double bed?
A double bed, please.
Your room is £150. What name will the reservation be listed under?
Paul Montana.
And is there a phone number where you can be contacted?
Yes, my phone number is 0896543281.
Great! Would you like to pay by cash or card?
Can I use contactless card?
Yes, of course. Here you go.
Great, thanks for your help.
My pleasure. See you tomorrow.
Bye, have a nice day.
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
We have a reservation for today.
Name, please?
It's under the name of Paul Montana.
We've reserved a double room for you. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Can you please show me the receipt for proof of payment?
Sure, here it is.
A full buffet and free airport shuttle service is included in the cost.
Oh, that's great. So, what room are we in?
Room 352. Here is your key. To get to your room, take the elevator to the second floor, then turn right.
Great, thanks. Is internet available?
Yes, it's available 24 hours a day. You can connect to the Wi-Fi.
Okay, and what time is checkout?
At midday, sir. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Hello, did you enjoy your stay with us?
Yes, it was really good. The staff are really friendly. Now we need to get to the airport. What's the quickest way to get there?
We have a free airport shuttle service.
Great. Will it get me to the airport on time?
Yes, it should. The next shuttle leaves in 10 minutes.
Okay, perfect. Here are our room keys.
Thank you. Before you go, would you be able to settle the minibar bill?
Oh, of course. Sorry, we forgot about that.
No worries. The bill comes to £25.
I'll pay with my card. Here you go.
Great. Thanks. Can I help you with anything else before you leave?
That's all, thank you. We'll wait in the lounge area until the shuttle arrives.
Thank you again for staying at the Grand Hotel.